Production.
Yo, let's talk about Wonderfi here. So this past few weeks, just to quickly summarize, we had a massive increase in price, leading to a volume climax. And then after this volume climax, we have news that there is a private investment deal going on with Wonderfi, $5 million seed investment or something along the lines of that, with a company. We're still trying to figure out if it is the CoinSquare acquisition or not. Not too sure. If you do know, please leave a comment. That'd be great. So after this volume climax, we see this drop in price. Now, from what I understand, this $5 million acquisition was at a 22-cent valuation. So whatever company is coming in to gather a bunch of these Wonderfi shares, it's at 22 cents. So, and they also have warrants, which are another word for options, at 30 cents. So the way I think of it is, throughout the next little while, we're going to see, like I predicted in the past few videos, we have this increase in price. And we're going to see this happen where there's going to be an accumulation of shares once again around this range before we move into that significant increase in price. Now, it'll happen, I think, but it'll take a longer period of time. What we want to see is a bunch of shares get eaten up at these levels so that the demand outweighs the supply down here, right? So it's going to take time. There's a gap left behind, which is something that I do like to see. We want to see this gap get filled, right? So if you're gathering shares down here and you're looking for that gap to be filled, there's already a 32% opportunity for that gap to be filled. Now, I'm in no rush. What I'm looking for here is a base to form, right? So we had this low. This is the first higher high that we've had in the stock forever. That is notable. Along with the BTC increase in price and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies that are performing really well, we could see this slowly starting to get better and better as time goes on in the future. Again, do not invest what you are not willing to lose. But what I'm looking for here is this new trend to be developed. We have marked the low, a new higher high, which is the first time that's happened in literally over almost a year now. And now we're looking for that higher low. Where this higher low is going to come, I'm leaning towards the 16.5 cent range, maybe potentially around that 19-cent range where we see, or 18-cent range where we see that higher low being developed. And then from there, we go onward to build a base in this area, right? So that's what we're looking for on Wonderfi Technologies. Easy.